Hey, this is Brother Jeff. I'm going to show you how to use one of the eBooks interactions inside of Storyline. So first of all, you navigate to the eBooks interactions and go ahead and select any of those eBooks interactions. And once you select it, you can then preview it right within the window here just to make sure this is the interaction you want. And once you've decided on the interaction you want, you just go ahead and click on the download button, and this will download your project to your desktop. Now at this point, I can go ahead and hide my browser and then open up the folder on my desktop. Now within the folder, depends on the game or the interaction that you've downloaded, but you'll notice a .js file named the same name as your game. So in this case, it's a world.js file. Now this you can open up in any text editor, notepad or anything like that, and this allows you to edit the content inside of the text editor, and it will automatically update inside of your game. Now we have a whole tutorial on how to do all of that, the different options here, but this is where I would open this up and come in, and I can change the continue button, the try again button, the labels on that. I can change question 1, the actual question and the possible answers, and change which one is correct and incorrect. So I'm not going to spend the time to go over that because we do have a tutorial on how to edit the ebooks in general. But now once I have that downloaded and I've edited it, now I'm ready to go ahead and bring this inside of Storyline. So I'm going to go ahead and inside of Storyline create a new project, and then I'm going to insert that interaction as one of my pages. And this could be, it doesn't have to be the first page, it could be the second, third page, whatever you want there. But if I come into the Insert tab and then come to Web Object, this is where I can browse for that folder that was downloaded. So I'm going to click on this folder icon, go to my desktop. So I'm going to navigate to my desktop. And on my desktop, I'm going to select the World Race game that I have, click on Open, and just make sure that these options are okay, where it says display and slide, display in a new browser if you want it to pop up in a new browser, or load web object automatically, which in this case, this is exactly what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on open, and now you'll see this web object has appeared here. Now, I cannot preview inside of a web object inside of Storyline. It'll give me it'll give me a warning letting me know that the web object is not available during the preview. However, if I save this project, let me go ahead and save this on my desktop, and I'm going to save this as just a sample project. And now if I publish this project, I will be able to view it once I've published it. So I'm going to go ahead and also select on my desktop to publish this out, and click OK, and then hit publish. And this will publish all of the additional files. You'll notice if I come back into this folder, there was a lot of additional files inside of that folder. Well, Storyline automatically takes that into account and then publishes that out for you, so you don't even have to worry about it. At this point, you can just take your Storyline project and upload it to the web or upload it to the LMS, and your eBooks interaction will be inside of your Storyline project. So you'll notice if I preview this, it doesn't actually show the game. This is because you actually have to take the content in order for this to be visible, and you have to upload it to a website. So once I've uploaded the website, now I have my game, my eBooks interaction inside of my Storyline, or if I publish it to an LMS, it'll work fine. It just can't publish it, or it can't be previewed, the web window, from on your desktop. It has to be uploaded to a server, and then from there you can go ahead and use it and play around with it and make sure everything is working inside of Storyline, inside of your web window. So that's how you take one of the eBooks interactions, download it, even though it's not specifically an ebook, but how you can use it inside of Storyline just by editing a simple text file.